Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for July. And it is a familiar box, but it's a Glossybox. This is the July beauty box. Glossybox kindly sent this to me so I'm able to share and show you early to help you decide if you're interested in getting it for yourself or not. I was a bit surprised when I received this because you might remember we received this last summerish time, a while ago anyway, the design of the box that is. So I had a look inside thinking, oh no, they sent me an old one by mistake. But no, there's a QR code in here. Looked at all the products. They weren't familiar. I scanned the QR code and yeah, it says on the little leaflet you can view on your phone that yeah, every one of you will receive a past box. So we'll all get the same products, but we'll all have a different design, a special design beauty box. The Glossybox costs £13.50 a month, and if you take out a 3, 6 or 12 month subscription, you're able to get it at a reduced cost. I do have a refer a friend code. Last month I think there was a bit of a glitch. I'm not too sure. Normally you're able to get £5 off the box, but people are having £10 off their first box. I'll pop my refer a friend code down below in my description, but if that isn't working, then there's other codes available for a couple of pound off. You'll find them all listed down there as well, and links to the subscription, links to the limited edition pages, and all my other discount codes and offers from other websites, including any giveaways I've got currently running, which I do have on Instagram, ending in a couple of days. Inside this box you'll find 5 beauty treats, but this month there's an extra freebie, so we've got 6 in there. So I think that's it. So let's get on to showing you then what's inside the July box. This is the little QR code. Open up. Just give you a little sneak peek first. So the theme this month is Summer Escape. So I'll go through all the products that we'll all receive. Starting off with a duo. We Are Paradox. I really like this brand. I've tried a few of the different hair products. I'm currently wearing, which you can't tell, their heat protection spray. It is gorgeous. It's really lovely. I love the volume range. I love the 3-in-1 conditioning treatment. So we've got a shampoo and conditioner. This is volume, especially good for fine and thin hair. Sustainable, vegan and natural, Irish roots and biotech. Hops extract for body and bounce, and there's 30 mils in both. If you can hear lots of chatter going on, it's my son's birthday and he's got lots of friends downstairs and they've just come home. I wasn't expecting him home for another hour or so, and this is the only time I've got to film my videos. So if you can hear like lots of noises, hopefully you can't, but just in case, that is what's happening. These are deluxe sizes and they're worth £9.25 each. Created with hydrating and conditioning properties, this shampoo uplifts from the root upwards to frame the face with some voluminous, I can't ever say that, voluminous looks this summer. And then the conditioner, infused with hops and white nettle, this conditioner helps to promote the look of fullness, whilst the conditioner's other golden elements consisting of hazelnut and matcha green tea to help your hair capture a jaw-dropping sign. So there's a shampoo and conditioner duo. Next up we'll have a highlighter that is available in 2 different shades. I have got it in blushed, and the other one, it doesn't say the actual shade name, but it's more of a golden colour. So this is more of a rose gold colour. And this is by Revolution with a super glow finish. I'm a bit nervous of that. I like very subtle highlighters that give me a glow, but not full on shimmer. And this is not bad, actually. I was expecting it to be quite full on. I suppose you might not be able to see much. You might not be able to see much on my hand. Hopefully you can. Yeah, that's not as bold, shall I say, than what I was expecting it to be. That is quite pretty, but I think for me personally, I would have preferred to go for the golden one. And I've got a lot of pink in my face, a lot of redness, so I tend to stay away from like enhancing my redness in my cheeks, so I tend to go for more gold, but that's fine. My daughter might like that. This is full size and it is worth £3. A perfect colour to suit any skin tone. This will be one of your staple products this summer. Dust onto the tops of your cheekbones, cupid bow and nose for that radiant gleam that lasts all day long. So you've got highlighter from Revolution. I got confused then. You will either receive the highlighter or you will receive a We Are Paradox moisture conditioner. A deluxe size is worth £10.50. So comparing the prices, the conditioner is worth loads. What I'm confused about is if we've already got a We Are Paradox conditioner anyway, and it seems like we're all getting those, then I'm sure you lot, even though We Are Paradox, the moisture conditioner is gorgeous, even hopefully you can see there, even though it's really lovely. But it's another conditioner in your box, isn't it? I'm confused. It says here Lucky Dip, so I'm assuming you'll either receive that We Are Paradox conditioner or you'll receive one of these. Because on the next page, you will either receive this, which I'll talk about in a minute, or you'll receive a Luxie 364 Pro Position tapered brush worth £17. There, can you see that brush? Yeah, so I've got this, which is a fragrance mist by Aurica, and I think I've had this before. Described as an island escape in a bottle, this body fragrance has all the tones of a tropical getaway without that expensive flight deal. This body mist leaves a luxurious, soft scent encasing your skin with island florals and warm rays of light. This is full size and it's worth £18, so similar price to the Luxie brush. You might not be able to see much, because it's quite hard to read as it is anyway. Yeah. I recognise the bottle. I'm sure I've had it before, maybe in a different subscription. Yeah, that's nice. That's really nice. Yeah, beautiful. I like that. Aurica Aura Tropical Fragrance Mist there. Next we've got Bondi Sands. This is a lip balm with SPF 50 in Tropical Mango, and there's 10 grams there. That sounds absolutely gorgeous. These are so hard to get out. Oh my word, come on. Flipping Nora, this is really hard to get out. Okay, got it. Oh, just putting it on my hand because I just want to smell it. Oh. Oh my gosh, I love mango. It is such a gorgeous scent. It is absolutely beautiful. It's just a nightmare to get out. It's really, really hard. But a lot of balms are like that, unfortunately, aren't they? This is full size and worth £4.99. Enjoy a sun-soaked day with the Bondi Sands Way. Hydrate and smooth dry lips with this nourishing Factor 50 Plus lip balm. Is that? And then the extra added freebie that we'll all receive is by Hoogens. This is an organic face scrub. It's a deluxe size with £7.50. Ultra gentle on sensitive skin. This organic face scrub is perfect for cleansing and purifying the skin this summer. Apply a medium amount to skin and add water to help exfoliate and deep clean your skin's pores. I've tried this before in a different beauty box and it is lovely. This brand is really lovely. I fell in love with their night oil and bought it full size. Oh, it smells so nice. Can you see that? So there you go. So those are all the products in this month's Glossybox. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. So we'll all receive We Are Paradox Volume Shampoo and Conditioner Duo. We'll all receive a Bondi Sands SPF 50 Lip Balm. We'll all receive a Hoogens, a facial scrub cleanser. And you'll either receive this Eureka body spray or you'll receive the Luxie makeup brush, and you'll either receive this Revolution Super Highlight in blushed or like a more goldy tone, or you'll receive a We Are Paradox larger conditioner, and you'll have a special design beauty box as well. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it? I'm really chuffed with the shampoo and conditioner duo. I've tried them before, so I know I like it. Going straight into my night away box for my next trip away, wherever that may be. Highlighter, pass on to my daughter. Not so keen on that. It's pretty. It's not as bling bling as I expected it to be, which is good, but it's just the colour. It's just a colour choice for me. It's not something I would wear. Yeah, the cleanser, the little added freebie, love that. We'll use that. The lip balm is stunning. Really nice. I just love the mango smell and the fragrance spray as well. That's a really nice scent, but I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it? So yeah, so thanks for watching and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.